100 boy, I promise I'ma get what's mine.
What's up, guys? Your boy Loaza Spoo. Welcome back to the family. We live. Today's video, guys, is Lil Thug E Odo. That's the name of the song, guys, and I'm gonna get to it, guys. If you're new to the family, man, make sure you subscribe, guys, and hit the comment section, man. Tell me what you think about this video. Let's go get it. Woo! Wonder Art Production. I see you guys. I see you. Woo! So bright, my eyes. Woo! Lil Thuggy. Yeah. Go. Hey. I like that kick. Oh man, cool song. I like the dancing in the beginning, man. Like the whole video, that girl was like, "Oh, I'm dancing. It's a cool video, man. I'll leave the link down below, guys. Make sure I am late. Make sure you guys check it out yourselves, man. With that being said, guys, please comment below and tell me what videos you would want me to listen to. Loaza Spoo is gone, guys. I love doing Mongolian reactions. They are amazing. Gone.
100 boy, I promise I'ma get what's mine.